Hi Draw So Cuties, Winnie here. Today we draw a Draw So Cute girl. So let's get started. To draw this cute girl, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a circle. And then I'm going to come across about this wide and draw another circle. There. So then my two circles in, I'm going to make them Draw So Cute eyes with two small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing here. There. So now that I have the eyes in, I'm going to come to the sides right here and just spruce them up with some lashes. And just two. And same thing here, and thicken them up. Then I'm going to come up and give her some brows. So right about here, I'm going to draw a soft arc over her eye and thicken it up. And same thing right across. There. And then of course we need to give her a sweet smile. So let's say about right here in the center. Curve and go upwards and cap it off. So now that we have that, we can go ahead and draw her face. So with her hairstyle, it's kind of it's going to kind of cut over her face. So okay, let's do this. Sorry. Just hopefully you're using a pencil because we're going to need to erase today. So I'm going to come to the top of my eye, usually as usual, right next to the lashes. I'll give myself a point. Same thing over here. And let's draw a curve coming around the eye. And let's go ahead and draw this kind of like this bottom of a U. We're going to curve. And I'm going to find my center and come down and say about right here. Give myself a point so I know where I'm going for her chin. And connect. So same thing here. And connect. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, I'm going to come back to the center and say about right here. Kind of like where I want her hair to start. I'll give myself a point right in the center. And then I'm going to go ahead and draw this high curve going up. And then we're going to bring it down. And then we're going to hit this brow. And bring it really close to her eye and out. So I'm going to go ahead and erase that later. And then on this side, we're going to go up. Nice and high again, and then we're going to bring it down and pop it in, hit this part right here, and then come out. So then let's come back to this area for her hairline. So say about here. Let's go ahead and draw a curve, and same thing here. There. Okay, so now that we have that, let's come back and draw her ears. So let's say about right here. Just a little indication of her ears on this side. On this side, no, maybe not. You know what, I'll just put a little bit so that we can give her some earrings. And so I'm going to come right here. Just pop in some earrings. So same thing here. There. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead and go up. On this side, we're going to curve up. And, oh, sorry, before I forget, let's go ahead and just finish this strand first. So the reason we're popping this up is because we have this strand that we need to draw. And we're going to come down. And let's see here. Come down and we're going to go out. So I'm going to curve and then let's come in here and connect one strand right here. And then this part is going to go up and then come down and in, just to make her hair a little bit fuller. And then on this side, we need to draw that strand as well. So let's go up. And let's see. Let's bring this down. Then we're going to pop it out right there. And then in this space, let's make it a little bit fuller. So let's come right about here and curve in. And put another strand right here. Okay, so now we have that. Let's go ahead and draw her body first before we finish the rest of her hair. So I'm going to come right here and give her a little neck. And here, we're going to curve out. And curve out just like the other side. And then right here, before her shoulders round off, we're going to come in here and bring in an angle line for her top. Right about there. So I'm drawing a little, I'm giving her a baby top, oh my gosh. I can't believe I forgot what this kind of top is called, but we're going to cut it off right here. Baby doll there. So we're going to cut it off right there and then come in here. Draw a curve towards the center and go right up, just like the other side. And then let's bring this down. We're going to pop it out a little bit. About right here, about the same level. And go ahead and just connect it with a bunch of wobbles all the way across. There. Okay. So then, since we're down here, I'm just going to, right in the center, very close to this top right here, I'm just going to draw a slight angle line. Then we're going to start her pants. That little line there, and then just bring in her pants about here and here. So let's work on this side first. I'm going to go down at an angle and down here as well. Kind of straight, not too tapered. So let's say about right there. And then I thought it'd be cute to just give her a little cuff. If you want to do that, wobble the sides, and so same thing here. There. So her pants in, and then we need to draw her shoes. So let's see here. Just gonna make them nice and simple. So let's come right about here and connect. And then for some details, the sole and the top, and then two little lines right there. So same thing over here. There. Okay, so now that we have that for some little details in part of her pocket. And if you like, you can put like maybe a little rip here on this side. And maybe a little bit header on the bottom. There. Okay, so then now let's draw her arms. So I'm going to curve this part down for her shoulder. And about right there, I'll bring in a curve to finish it off for her sleeves. So same thing here. I'm going to connect up. So then for her hands, I want her hands to end about right here. So let's go down. And about right here, we're going to angle a little bit. And thicken up. Elbow. Bring it in to her wrist. And then right here is where we put in a thumb. And the fingers. There. Okay, so same thing on the other side. Hands are going to be about right here. So this is where it bends approximately. Go around. And same thing here. Thumb. And fingers and thicken it up. There. Okay, so now that we have that, we can put in some details if you like. I thought it'd be cute to put in some lace up here perhaps to give it more detail, and then the top right here. Put a little band, and then some lines. And let's see here. It should be pretty much it, right? And then, of course, we can give her a beautiful big heart necklace right here. And then let's finish her hair. So I'm going to make her hair really long. So I'm going to come right here and just curve out. And maybe another one in, and then just kind of push it, just taper it off in there. So on this side, same thing, we're just going to curve and curve. Do another curve right here and bring it in. There. So then for some details, we can kind of come in here, put in some of these lines, give our hair some texture. But I believe that is pretty much it for our Draw So Cute girl here. And then once again, I'm going to erase that part, and maybe we can put in some patterns on her top right here. But hopefully I was able to help you draw this cute girl fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.